first 24-hour Cartoon Network.
Hello, folks. Welcome to the world's first and only Cartoon Network, the home of the top toon stars. To help you find your way around here, I'd like to personally present...
Droopy's Guide to the Cartoon Network.
First things first, you need to be in tune with your new environment. Here are some tunes and a symphony of my favorite songs that you can hear all day long on the Cartoon Network. Okay, boys? A 1, a 2.
The biggest show in town is Huckleberry Hound for all you guys and gals.
How much is that gorilla in the window?
We've got a gorilla for sale. Come kill a gorilla for sale. The most effectual tomcat. What a gator is a swinging navigator is a swamp.
Batman and secrets world keep the nation in a whirl.
Peter Potamus has a charm he could never conceal. Yippee-yi-yo, cutting right around the way his drum swings off the road. Meet George Jetson. Flintstones, meet the Flintstones. They're the one and only family.
Songs you can hear all day long on the home of the top toon stars. The Cartoon Network. If that wasn't music to your ears, you're not talking toon. We now present Rhapsody Rabbit with that musical maestro, Bugs Bunny, star of Bugs and Daffy Tonight. Weeknights on the Cartoon Network.